All right, next, this is going to be about saving tons of time formatting coordinates. So let's assume we have a ton of these coordinates here. Let's see exactly. I just randomly plotted them. We have 34 coordinates. Let's open the attribute table. And we always do degrees, minutes, seconds, unless otherwise specified. So I have this set up for how it should be in yours: latitude, longitude, and formatted coordinate. Let's first calculate the geometry by pressing this one, Control A, right click latitude, calculate geometry. Lat is Y. Let's also do longitude as X. Coordinate format, degrees, minutes, seconds, the first option. Coordinate system, whatever your map frame is in, usually this. State plane, press OK. Hopefully it doesn't click. Nice, it did. So this is great, except our final format doesn't, we don't like to have it like this. We want to get rid of these leading zeros. We don't want, 8 decimal points for the seconds value of the coordinate. So, we can do it the laborsome way, which is edit. Oh, it won't even let me edit right now, but I guess remove the trailing zeros and stuff manually, or you can use the script. So let's press 1, Control A, and let's press right click on the latitude column, calculate fields, not geometry. Oops. Here, let's just make sure we have that selected. Calculate field. And we're going to go to arcade. Press this folder button. And this should be right here, which will be in the folder. .cal, DMS converter. Press it once. Oops, I totally forgot. This should be in Python. Press set eraser. No big deal. Switch back over to Python. Let us go down. Import that same thing. And it has this whole code block, which is a format DMS, a function defined, which you will see. Let's make sure that this in here is the same as your fields that you want to format first. So latitude. Let's press OK. And you'll see we're now quickly rounded, just like that. But wait, it also will do the same despite the different format of the longitude. So let's Control A, right click longitude, calculate field. We don't even need to load the script, it's already in there. Let's just change this. If you highlight the whole thing, including the exclamation points, and then double click longitude, it should add it perfectly like that. Press OK. Boom. Zeros removed and rounded. Nice. Now, last thing to do is get them so that they're, one coordinate. Let us Control A again. Right click on this formatted coordinate, calculate field. And let's do, this is a little bit fancy. Let's change to arcade, no scripting this time. Oh, and let's make sure that our Python is cleared. Yeah, gotta make sure that won't work. Let's go to arcade, which is simple. All that you gotta do is double click latitude, or let's say formatted coordinate. So this field is equal to the latitude field, so 29, etc., etc. So let's double click that. Plus, we like to do a comma, so let's put in quotes a comma. And this is the hardest part usually. Plus, if we want a new line, we can't just press enter. We gotta write out text, formatting, new line, space plus, and now we can do longitude. And it looks weird, trust me, but let's scroll down, press this green check mark, it says our expression is good, and it should combine those both to have an enter separated by a comma. I don't know why it won't let me look in the column, but this does have, I'm pretty sure, let's see, yeah, the formatted coordinate. So now in theory we could just label this coordinate, and this is the case that you have tons of coordinates. You can't just do this quickly one by one. Let's. Oops. Oh no. Alright, looks like my thing's gonna crash, but perfect time to end the video.